Hello and welcome to my project, Yashasvi Designs, a mini portfolio project made for advanced client-side JavaScript COMP-2112 at Georgian College in fall 2022. This is a website built with CSS, JS, TS. Here is the landing page for the portfolio, a minimalist design with global navigation and footer. Moving on to the profiles page, this page describes who am I, what do I do, my inspiration, and why do I do what I do. Now, further moving on to the project page, these are some recent and my favorite projects. I love making mood boards for websites as these require sophisticated selection of fonts, graphics, designs, and colors. These are some websites that I made. The first one is a website made in Wix for a wedding card design company, a minimalist design and eye appealing. Moving on to the next, a MVC framework website built in ASP.NET for a college project. And lastly, a company website made in HTML, CSS, JS, and PHP for an IT-based company in India. This is one of my best projects yet. Further, moving on to the services, here are some solutions we provide. We help in web designing, graphic designing, logo design, WordPress support, ad design, social media management, keyword research, and email marketing. Now, how do you contact us? It is simple and easy. Just fill out this form or send an email directly from this email link, or you can contact me on my Instagram following this link. Now, moving on to the JS file. This is the JS file from where all the data in the page is transferred. The file system is divided into some components like assets, contents, scripts, views, and under the views we have two items, components and contents. In components we have the global footer and header, and in content we have the main content for all the pages. All the content is passed through a string through this JS file. I hope you enjoyed this portfolio project. Thank you.